Hi, this is Steph with Belladonna Dyes. Today we're going to be making a side fanfold incline ice dye. This shirt was soaked in soda ash for a minimum of 20 minutes. Then it was put into the washing machine and spun out until it was barely damp. And then I folded it and set it aside until it was completely dry. So for this actual shirt, I don't have footage of me tying it. You can watch another one of my side fan folds and just duplicate that fold and you'll get the same results. I'm using the ruler to mark out 6 individual spots where the dye is going to go. Now it's time to add the dye, and I'm going to start with scarlet, then use deep orange, daffodil, Kelly green, bluebird, and grape. For each color I'm going to use a new spoon because I do not want to cross-contaminate. and just a quick little sprinkle of soda ash for good measure. So now I'm going to set it down inside of its tote and add the ice. You'll see me take a bent paper clip. I do that so that I can hold the shirt up to the top of the gutter. Otherwise, it'll slide down and the bottom of the shirt will soak down in the muck, making it a really dark color. So now it's time to add the ice. And I pack it on really thick. That's why I put that little extra sprinkle of soda ash on there. That's just in case if the ice melts too much, I want to make sure that there's enough soda ash in there so that it can react with the cotton in the t-shirt. I started by doing the ice cubes from the tray and they just kept falling off, so I gave up on that. I'll add them to the very top once I fill this gutter up full of ice. Doesn't the dye look pretty on those orange ice cubes? So the next step from here is to set it off to the side, and I'm going to let it batch for 48 hours. And then we'll come back and we'll do the rinse out. So it has been 48 hours now, and it's time to do the rinse. I start by using cold water. That's to stop any soda ash that might still be left in the shirt. Then I'll increase the water to warm and then to hot. And then I'll just continue to rinse until the water runs clear. I'll remove the kite string and then I'm going to put it in the washing machine on a hot water cycle. Then I'll do another cycle with textile detergent. And then I will do a final hot water cycle with Milsoft to bring the softness back into the shirt. Once you've cut all the strings, it's really important that you remove them from the shirt and don't let them go down your drain. You don't want to create yourself a plumbing problem. Well, here are the final results of our shirt. I really like the rainbow colors on tie-dye. I think it's just a really classic look. The ice dye is just another take on the good old-fashioned rainbow. So what do you guys think about this shirt? Go ahead and leave me a comment down below and give me your thoughts. Well, thanks for watching. If you're finding these helpful, please subscribe to my new growing channel. Give me a thumbs up and click the bell for notifications for when I upload another tutorial. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.